Okay, guys, I need to start now. Okay, guys. Today we will start with divide decimals by whole numbers, page 443. We'll continue on decimals in the last semester. We stopped in multiplying decimals, if you remember. Let's remember together what we did at the end of the last semester. We multiplied decimals like 2.3 multiply 4.5. We said we multiply normally without decimals. We put 23 multiply by 45 and multiply normally. 5 multiply 3, it is 15. 5 multiply 2, it is 10, plus 1, it is 11. Then 4 multiply 3, it is a 12. Then 4 multiply 2, it is 8. With 1, it is 9. And here we put 0. Now we add 5, 3, 10. Then we take our answer here and put it after the equal 1, 0, 3, 5. Then we count the digits after the decimal in both numbers. Here we have 2 digits, 1, 2. So we go to our answer and count 2 digits from the right, 1, 2. Then we put our decimal. This is what we did at the end of the last semester of the previous or the first semester. We multiplied decimals. Today we will start dividing by decimals. We will start dividing by decimals. We will divide today by whole numbers. We will divide decimals by whole numbers. Means the dividend is decimal, but the divisor is a whole number without decimal. See, here we have decimal, here we don't have decimal. If we don't have decimal, we call this whole number. Here also decimal, and here whole number. Okay. Now, before we start, I need to check if everything is okay here. Omar Quaider, are you with me?
Yes, mister. I raise
Omar,
my hand, Byron.
do you see the board?
Yes?
Do you see the board clear?
Yes, I see the board.
Do you hear me very well?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's do division, guys. How we divide? We finished with multiplication at the end of the last semester. From today, we will divide. We will divide, but using division. We will divide using decimals, sorry, and using also long division. Now we know how we divide, guys. Let's remember the main steps of division also together. Like if we want to divide 243 divided by 5, for example. Now we started with the first number here. 2 is less than 5, so we cannot. So I will take two numbers here. 24 divided by 5. We search in the timetable of 5 a number. If you multiply it with 5, you get a 24 or less, like 4. 4 multiply 5, it's a 20. Subtract, it's 4. After we subtract, we check. 4 is less than 5, means the 4 here is correct. Then we put the 3 down. Now we have 43 on 5, it is 8. 8 multiply 5, it is 40. Subtract 3. Now we don't have numbers here, so the remainder is a 3. So the answer is 48 with remainder 3. Okay. Now here is the main idea of the division, the long division. So we'll use the same steps, guys, when we have decimals here. Let's take this example now. We'll use the same steps of the long division there. We'll use it here. We'll do the same steps when we divide in whole numbers. And once we get the decimal, guys, we put it up in the quotient. Means we will start normally, but if we get the decimal, we put it in the quotient in the same place. For example, here, 8.4 divided by 2. So I will make my long division. Here is the dividend. Here is the divisor. Now I will start normally. Can the 8 divided by 2? Yes. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied 2 is 8. The same steps. I'm doing the same steps. Nothing new, okay? 4 multiplied 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. I'm done with the 8. Now I need to go to get the 4 down, but I have on my way is the decimal. Once you have the decimal, put it up directly. Don't forget it. Then we get the 4 down. Again, we start with 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. I'm done with 8. Now I'm going to get the 4, but I have decimal on my way. Once you have the decimal, don't skip it. Do not skip the decimal. Put it directly up in the answer. Don't forget that. Then put the other number down, which is 4. Now we'll do the same steps. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 multiplied 2 is 4. Subtract 0. So the answer here is 4.2. 4.2. This is the first example. The second example here, for example, we have 36.9 divided by 3. Focus, guys, it's important. It's important. Yes, Adam. Yes. Sorry, Adam, put your hand again. I removed it by mistake. Yes, Adam, talk.
Mister, I didn't understand.
Yalla, here, ya Adam. Talk with me here. How we do division? Forget the decimal. How we do division normally?
Okay.
We took division before, right? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Talk with me, Habibi. Talk with me. Don't keep silent, okay? Do we know how we do division, normal division?
No.
You don't know how we did division before, yeah, mister, in the previous semester. We did a lot of division.
No.
Yalla, how we do division? Tell me how.
First 33 with 3.
There is no 33 here, yeah, mister.
36.
No, yeah, mister. We start with a 3. We can use the 3 with a 3 because the 3 is equal to 3, not less. If this number less than the divisor, we take 2 numbers, right?
Okay.
Yeah, 3 divided by 3, how much?
9.
Focus, Habib, Allah يسعدك. Focus, ركز. We are not multiplying here, we are dividing here. 3 divided by 3, how much?
1.
Huh?
1.
1, not 9, okay? So it is 1. We put 1 here. Now 1 multiplied by 3, how much?
3.
3. We put a 3 under 3. We know that, right?
Yes.
Now we subtract. 3 minus 3, how much?
0.
0. Then what we will do? Tell me.
Bring the 6.
Yalla, bring the 6 down. How 6? Now we'll do the same steps. 6 divided by 3, how much?
18.
Yeah, mister, we are not multiplying. We are dividing, okay? We are not multiplying.
2.
We are dividing. ركز الله يسعدك. 6 divided by 3, how much?
6 divided by 3, 2.
2. We put 2 down, right? Up, sorry. Now 2 multiply by 3, how much?
2 divided 6.
6. Then we do subtract, right?
Yeah.
Now what we will do?
Wait. 6 minus 6.
We did it. 0. خلاص خلصنا. شايفها?
Yes.
Then what we will do? Tell me. What we have after the 6?
9.
We have 9. But before the 9, what we have?
Decimal.
Decimal. Once you have the decimal, put it in the quotient directly. Got it?
Okay.
So it's the same steps of the long division we did before, but if we have decimal, we put it up, then we get the number down, which is 9, the last number, right?
Okay. Yes.
Now, 9 divided by 3, how much?
9 divided by 3.
3.
27.
يا ابني we are not multiplying وبعدين معك انت. We are not multiplying, mister. We are dividing here, okay? We are done with multiplication. خلاص راح multiplication. Now 9 divided by 3, how much?
9 divided by 3, 3.
9 divided by 3, how much?
9 divided by 3, 3.
3. I put a 3 up. Now I'll multiply. 3 multiply 3, how much?
9.
9. Hi, 9. Subtract, the answer 0, right?
Yes.
So what's the difference here? We did the same steps, Yabni, right? We did the same steps, but once we get the decimal, we put it up directly. We don't skip it, okay? We take this decimal and put it up on its place directly. Got it?
Yeah.
So it's the same steps of the long division on whole numbers, but because we have decimal, we put it in the answer. That's all. Do you understand it now?
Okay, yes.
Good. Focus, Ibni. Here we are not multiplying, okay? We are dividing.
dividing.
Don't get mistaken this step again.
Okay.
Let's take another example, guys. Let's take another example. For example, if we have this one, look here, guys. Remove your hand, Adam. Example. Look here, guys. It's important. Focus. Now here I will divide 2.332 divided by 4. The 4 is whole number. So I will make my long division here. 2.332 divided by 4. Now focus, please, guys. It's important idea. Now here I will start normally. I will start with 2. Can the 2 divided by 4? No, the 2 is less than 4. Now I need to go to get the 3 with the 2, right? But before I'm going to get the 3, I have what? Decimal. So the decimal here will be at the first. The decimal here will be at the first. Why? Because here the 2 cannot divide on 4, so I need to go to get the 3. And we said here, guys, once you get the decimal, you put it up directly. So here the 2 is less than 4, so I cannot put numbers up. I need to get the 3 with the 2 to be 23. But the 23, while you are going to take the 3, you have decimal. So you put it up directly. Don't skip the decimal ever. Now we have 23. 23 divided by 4 is 5. The numbers after the decimal. Now 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Look here, guys. Subtract normally. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Now the 3 is less than 4, so the 5 is correct. Now the next step, I will get the 3 down. 33. Now 33 divided by 4 is 8. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Subtract 1. 33 minus 32 is 1. Now I'll get the last number down, which is a 2. It will be 12. Now 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 multiplied 4 is 12. Subtract 0. Now here I have empty place, empty space, right? And we said that in decimals, after we finish our answer, if we have empty places, we fill them with zeros. So the answer here is 0.583. 0.583. Okay, here I can use the 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. After I finish, I put the decimal up. But here I couldn't use the 2. I need to get the 3 with it. But while you are going to get the 3, you have decimal. And you need to put the decimal up. So it's 23 divided by 4. Okay, this is the example. The other idea, sometimes we cannot use the first number, so I need to get other numbers. Now, any questions, guys, before I continue here? We'll go to do exercises together. Okay. Any questions, guys, before I continue? Now we'll do exercises together. We are on page 445. 445, no, sorry, 444. We'll do exercises together. We'll start with the question 1. What we have in question 1? We have 48.33 divided by 3. 48.33 divided by 3. Who can help me with this one? Now you need to copy, guys. You need to write with your book. You need to write with your book. Abdullah.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, Abdullah. 48 decimal 33 divided by 3.
Okay. 4 divided by 3 equals 1.
Exactly. So we start with the first number. 4 divided by 3 is 1. So here 1. 1 multiply 3, Abdullah.
3.
3. Now we do subtract normally, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 4 minus the 3 is
1.
1. I'm done with the 4 and the 1 less than 3. So the 1 here is correct. Then
8 down.
8 down. Do we get the decimal yet or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. So I'm doing normally. 8 down. Now 18 divided by 3. How much?
6.
6. Exactly. Hi, 6. Now 6 multiply 3. How much?
6 multiply 3 equals 18.
18. ممتاز. Subtract.
0.
Done.
Put
So
decimal
I'm
up.
done with the 48. Now what we have before we got the 3, what we have here?
Decimal, put it
Put
up.
it up directly. Now then
3 down.
3 down. Now 3 divided by 3, how much?
1.
1. ممتاز. 1 multiply 3.
3.
3. Subtract.
0.
Then
3 down.
3, the last 3 down, right?
Yeah.
Now 3 divided by 3, how much?
1.
Another 1. 1 multiply 3.
3.
Subtract.
0.
So we are done, right?
Yeah.
So the answer is 16.11. 16.11. This is question 1, guys, page 444. Do it, please. Now we'll go to question 2. Beside it, we have question 2. Question 2. We have 8.8 divided by 2. 8.8 divided by 2. Omar.
Yes, teacher.
Yalla ya Omar. Question 2.
8 divide 2 equals 4.
So 8
Up.
divided by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2, how much?
8.
8.
8 minus 8 equals 0.
0. Then,
The 8 go down.
no.
We put the decimal up.
Don't skip the decimal, Yabni. Do not skip the decimal. It's important, guys. Do not skip the decimal. Once you get it, put it up. It's important. Don't forget that. Then
The 8 go down.
the 8 go down. Now we'll do, yalla. 8 divided by 2
Equals 4.
equals 4. 4 multiplied 2
equals
is 8.
8.
Subtract.
0.
So what's the answer?
4 decimal 4.
or decimal 4. Do you understand that? Next one, question 3. The next page, page 445 now. In this page, we will try to do the odd numbers, guys, okay? In page 445, we'll do the odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9, and go on. So I'm with Al-Walid. Al-Walid, put your hand again. Okay. Yalla, Walid.
Yeah, Mister. Yeah.
Question 3. But yalla, what we have in question 3?
12 divided 145 decimal 8.
145 decimal 8 divided by what?
Divided by 12.
12. Good. Now we'll make long division under of it, right?
Yeah.
Yalla, 1, 4, 5 decimal 8, and here we have a 12. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yalla, tell me, what will we do now? How we divide?
We will divide 12 with 14. 14.
Yes, because 1 less than 12, I will take 14. Now 14 divided by 12, how much here?
14 divided by 12.
Yeah, we have 14, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yalla. What's the number? If you multiply it with the 12, you get 14 or less?
14. 3.
يا ابني 3 by 12 is 36. ركز يا وليد، ركز ركز. 3 multiply 12, 36. I want 14 only.
36.
Do you know the timetable of 12 يا ابني?
Yeah, I know it. I know it.
يلا 12 multiply 1, how much?
12.
12 multiply 2.
2 multiply 12 equal 14.
لا إله إلا الله. يا ابني ركز الله يسعدك الدنيا الصبح. 12 multiply 1, how much?
12.
12. 12 multiply 2, how much?
12 multiply 2. 14.
كيف 14 يا ابني؟ كيف 24 يا ابني؟ 24 اوكي؟ ركز الله يسعدك، بحكي لك ركز يا وليد، ها هي كمان مرة. 12 times 1 12 12 times 2 24 right?
Yeah.
ركز لا تحكي. Now what we want 14. Okay?
Yeah.
Where is the 14 here? We take 12 or 24?
We take 12.
Yeah, so what I will put up here?
1. 1.
1. خلاص 1. Now 1 multiply 12, how much?
12.
12. Now do subtract. يلا.
4 minus 2 equal to?
1 minus 1, 0. Then what I will do?
We bring the 5 down.
We bring the 5 down. Now we have 25. 25 divided by 12. How much?
We will put 2. We will put 2.
What 2? Yes.
24.
Now 2 multiply 12. 24. Subtract.
1 and
1.
1.
1. Good. Now what we will do?
Then we will put the decimal up.
Yes. Now we get the decimal. We put it up directly.
Yeah.
And we get the 8 down. This is the 8. Now we have a new number, 18.
So we'll take 1. 1.
1 also. 1 multiply 12 is 12. Subtract.
6.
Stop. Do we have other numbers here to put it down?
No, we didn't have.
Now, if we don't have, guys, we don't write remainder 6. No, there is no remainder in the decimals here, okay? So at this case, what we will do, because we have decimal, we can add 0. We can add 0 to make it bigger. Got it? Walid,
Got it.
again, I'm done here. This is the remainder 6. Do not stop and say 12.1 remainder 6. No. If we have this case and the 6 less than 12, what I will do to make it
We
bigger?
will put 0.
Because we have decimal, we can add 0 for the remainder. It will be what?
60.
60. Now, 60 divided by 12, I don't know. So I will check numbers, right?
Yeah.
2 by 12, how much 2 by 12?
24.
3 by 12, 36. 4 by 12, 48.
48.
5 by 12, 60. I have 60, right? Which
Yeah.
is comes by 5. So here I'll put what?
5.
5 by 12, 60, subtract 0.
0.
Got it?
Yeah.
Copy. Look here, guys. Remainder 0, remainder 0, remainder 0, 0. In all our examples, remainder 0. Now, at this case, if we have 6 at the end, guys, and we don't have other numbers to put it down, we put 0 because we have decimal, not like the whole numbers, okay? So this is question 3, page 445. Now we'll go to question 5. We'll do the odd numbers here. We'll go to question 5 beside it. So the answer, guys, we put the answer after the equal always. It's a 12.15. Now question 5. For sure at your home, guys, you can practice on the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, and go. Question 5, we have 38.4 divided by 16. 38.4 divided by 16. Ahmed Hamdi.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, Ahmed. Do you understand the
Do
question
you hear me
3?
well?
Yes, I hear you, Ibni. Do you understand the question 3?
Yeah.
Yalla. Tell me here.
Okay.
بسرعة يا أحمد. بسرعة. quickly حبيبي. يلا. ها.
We will try 16 multiply 2.
Wait. Let me just write the long division. I did it. Now tell me here. Where I will start? What I will do?
But Mr. I want to say 16 multiply 2 what?
32.
Okay. We will put 2.
2 because 1 it comes 16 so small and the 3 gives 48 for the 16. It's bigger than 38. So here we put 2. We try, guys. Remember, guess and check. Remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
We did that a lot in the first semester. Guess the number, check it here, and put it here. Now 3 by 16 is 48.
32.
But 2 by 16 is 32. So I'll choose 2 because it's less than 38. Now 2 multiply 16, how much?
32.
32. Now subtract
6.
6. Now what I will do?
Decimal.
Decimal up. Don't forget that. Then
4 down.
put the 4 down. Now we have 64 divided by 16. Do you know the answer?
I will guess 4 or
Guess
5.
4. Huh? I'm guessing. Ahmed is guessing. Because 3 by 16 is 48. So less than 64. So I'll guess the 4. 4 by 16. 64. Exactly. Got it?
Yeah, 4.
So here I'll put 4. 4 multiply 16, 64.
64.
Subtract
0.
0. The remainder is 0. Do we need to do this step? We add 0 here before with Walid?
No.
No need, because I get the remainder 0. I'm done with the numbers. So the answer is 2.4. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Copy, guys. This is question 5. Let's do question 7. 14.14 divided by 14. 14.14 divided by 14. دعاس محمد. طيب جلال. يلا محمد معاي.
Yeah.
يلا يا محمد. Quickly يا محمد.
Okay.
What I will do here. يلا.
For the first 14, we will take the 14, the 2. So 14 divided 14, 1.
1. ممتاز. 1 multiply 14. 14. Subtract
0.
0. حلو.
Then we will put the
بعدين
decimal up.
put the decimal up. Then
Put the 1.
1.
Then
1 can divide on 14.
yeah.
The 1.
No.
ركز. We get the 1 down, right?
Yeah.
The 1 can divide on 14.
No.
Why? Because it's less than. What we do at this case, remember?
Yeah, we will take also the 4.
No.
What
No, we don't put the 4 down directly. We need to do a step before it. Jalal, do you know? Da'as, remember? What we do, guys, if we put a number down and this number less than 14, we did that in the first semester. What we do in the division? We put 0 in quotient, remember? Then we get the 4 down. Muhammad Da'as, are you with me?
Yeah.
Remember 0 in quotient?
Yeah, now I remember it.
Yeah, 14 divided by 14, how much?
1.
Also 1. 1 by 14, 14. Subtract 0. So what's the answer? It is 1 decimal 0 1. 1 decimal 0 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.